Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science. Start by focusing on understanding the fundamental principles rather than just memorizing. Actively engage with the material by asking questions and seeking connections between topics. Regular practice with problems and experiments is crucial for solidifying your knowledge. Consistent review helps reinforce learning and prepares you for assessments. To truly master science, embrace active learning. Don't just read, interact with the material. Make flashcards for important definitions and equations. Explaining a concept to someone else is a powerful way to check your understanding. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts can simplify complex processes, making them easier to recall during exams. This approach ensures deeper comprehension. Effective time management is vital for science studies. Dedicate specific blocks of time to each subject, ensuring balanced attention. Leverage the wealth of online resources, including educational videos and practice quizzes, to supplement your learning. Don't hesitate to reach out to your teachers or a tutor if you encounter challenging topics. Early intervention can prevent small difficulties from becoming major hurdles. For exam preparation, practice is paramount. Take full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. Analyze your results to pinpoint areas needing more attention and dedicate extra study time there. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Stay calm and confident on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.